I've already drove a half mile away from where I was at. This shit's crazy. Shit right here. I'm inside the mountain of many companies down here. Packaging. All that crap they do. There, that turn. That goes back way back 8 miles back that way. We're going to the left here. We're going back out the same way I came in. This goes way back here. And I mean way back here. I'm in a semi. There's some train trussels. Even trains are coming down in here. There's outside. Yeah. I'm going back out the door, same way I came in. Peace, y'all. And y'all have a safe and a good one. Signing out. This is Missouri, Kansas City, Missouri. See ya.